Italy, Bolzano. His name, he said his name is Osa Sahigbe. Okay, his name is Osa Sahigbe, and he has been sleeping on the street for like 6 months now. So please, I'm begging all of you. I don't know, he said he's from Benin City, and he doesn't know where he stays in Benin. And again, he doesn't know any of his family number. He said he has a sister called Owas. I'm asking him that, okay, what is his brother's name? Or any of your relative at all? He said he doesn't know. So please, and he said, we asked him a few questions. He said he wants to go back to Nigeria. He said he wants to go back to Nigeria. Then went to deportation camp, so he wants to go back to Nigeria. And I was like, okay, if you want to go back to Nigeria, do you have any of your family numbers at all? He said no. So please, that is why I'm doing this live video. I don't really know, please. If any of you know him very well, he said his name is Osas Aigbe. He stays in the camp at Roma before. He went to Verona, and now he's here. The police they came yesterday asking him a lot of questions, but yet he's not able to know anything at all. I think he's mentally ill also. So please, I beg of you, share this video. If any of you know him very well, please try and contact his family. Or please make this video go viral so that we'll be able to locate his family. If any of you have any idea or any clue, he has been here now since I think for good 6 months or so. Osas. His name is Osas, okay? Please, you push your help out. Help out, please. Try and share this video to try and locate any of his family members because he has been here for a long time. Please, I beg of you. Anybody that know him, that you know any of his relatives at all, he's in Italy already. Here is Italy. He said he wants to go back to Nigeria. He went to meet the police, and the police said he should stay here like this. It was someone that contacted me and said, look at one of our Nigerians is staying here. So I had to come this morning to check on him. Yes, he's not able to say anything. I think he's not really that okay. So please, I beg you, try and share this video, okay? Osas, is that okay now? So that any of your sister will locate it here. I'll give you the number. If any of your family members call me, I'll give them their number. You said it's Benin, right? Benin. Awigbe or Aigbe. Aigbe is your father's name, Abi? Okay. So please, every one of you, try and share this video. Please, I beg of you. Let's try and help someone out, please. Thank you very much. I will drop my number here. You can only WhatsApp me in case anyone has any information, Nigeria or Italy, anywhere at all, please. Try. God bless you.
They break everywhere, boss, normally. See, I boss start to just still drop little to the one maybe say yes, you don't already hear. Just according to the way you take hear around from this very video, so maybe the watch. I beg my own purpose of doing this video, now to just still help the brother, show love. You know, understand? You know, we made this Europe lifestyle, made the diaspora, so they say now who go, now no. Who not go, nothing no. Why I talk so? Because many people in Nigeria, many of our brothers, sisters, friends, all those cousins, all those your guy, may they call you blood, you know. Based on that, don't ask you for one or two things. You never fit turn up, give them. Most of them, the reason say, as we all did the Europe lifestyle like this, say as we don't you enter, now so we all take the collector, say yours the boss for everywhere. Then the reason say maybe we they get where for you they fetch the money, or maybe we they pick up for ground, all those kind of things. They don't know say not be the way they think can not be so it be. Nigeria mentality and Europe mentality not be the same. Difference there. Yes, why I talk so be say you ask your guy for something, maybe say yes, he did the Europe lifestyle, you did bongo, he never deliver for you. No reason say maybe he not get you for man. No reason say maybe he forget you. No reason say maybe he get, you know why you show love, you want the phone, 1 or 2. No, my guy, see, if me tell you the way that they live the lifestyle, so for the Europe side, so for the diaspora mode, this, so if me tell you the way me tell the package, see, you go feel for me. You go want like say, may you make the bongo so may you send money, come give us may the Europe lifestyle. I don't know if you dey grab on the normal. I don't know if you dey grab what I dey try pass the fat and oil maybe say yes I dey try pass give you. Yes now. You made the Nigeria now normally. We all know say yes, the Nigeria lifestyle not too easy, not be easy normally. Everything costs normally for the countryside. See, but my guy believe you dey live well. Believe me, you dey live well. Although say things cost, may still dey born normally for the Nigeria lifestyle. Women dey diaspora, yes. See, if we tell you the way we take the package, the way we take the deal on the normal, the way we take the guy with small thing on the normal. See, you go pity for us, safe. You go when everyone ask us say how far now, send us and make you do us small thing for Bongo con Europe. What you dey try to pass we say, Mona dey pray for our brothers and sisters. When our brother and sister maybe say yes, they did the diaspora lifestyle, they did the Europe lifestyle, they also, they try the package yourself, everywhere soft for them. See, Mona dey put a prayer join her. Because if that guy might bust today for Europe lifestyle, if rain bitter, if the rain drop normally, the rain must drop which all of on side on the voltage. It go must voltage you now normally. Also I say the guy might get black heart. You know understand? Yeah. What they try to talk, we say, I beg, may we all join together. More show this very brother love, so more try share this video so that the family people go fit see this video, so that the family member or a brother or a friends go fit see this video, so they go reach the person. I beg, because that guy did so, see, they know the tell man, they know the tell man. They know the tell man, a man they advise himself because he not clear for him. May they there so because now the street lifestyle they sleep so. Train station for that matter. He don't did there according to the video. Now he don't did there for 6 months. In the year so. It not easy. Many of us did this Europe. We not get asthma with day. Many of us on our street with day. We all day street. We all the pray say yes. Me another day break. More see the sky. May the breeze touch our skin normally. You know understand? Yeah, now the prayer they keep us. The prayer maybe say yes, now they offer give us. Maybe say yes, we may day we not know. Now they pray give us. Now they push us forward. I beg, I beg. Now beg I dey beg una on the voltage begging. So now they beg una yes, because I want Mona help me lap this video normally. Mona help me press and normally. Mona help me spread and may spread past coronavirus normally. I beg because Mo will help this brother right now. Because if you look in condition now, in condition. It's not today okay on the normal. His condition not today okay according to the video. It's like he's mentally that kind of thing. And I don't know if na the grab on the normal. I beg Mona just share the video to save a brother, to remove a brother for the street. For you to know say yeah, the streets don't hard. The streets don't go. The streets don't bang. Yes now. We have brother now for don't talk like this now say you want to go back to a country, Nigeria. How far you now? What do you think? What do you think? Say where's the level now? They talk and many are called, few are choosing. You know how many people don't come to Europe, may don't deport itself, say they go back to a country based on the Europe lifestyle, based on they don't feel better. Europe. Now name you get to Europe. Now name Europe carry o. Now your name, your carry son name normally. You they use the name they trend normally. And they test you. Even people made the also for the countryside. They see they testify, say no, they clear on the normal. But now your God grace, believe. Now God grace, now the voltage man. Now God grace, now the lap men for the street normal men till they survive. Yeah? See, I beg you, make the love lead. More just help a brother. More share this video. Make this video cast a pass corona normally. Make corona dreads this video the way go take trend. So that may family people fit see them. You know understand? Now the matter may you reach my table yesterday. So say my you help a brother. Now say my help a brother take casted the video. So the family fit see this video. I beg. More use our one love. Black lives matter normally. Now yeah, we for no now 100%. You know understand? I beg for those of now maybe say yes, una dey the Nigeria lifestyle. Mona they ask una guy for 1 or 2 support. You never fit turn up on her. Mona no reason I say no girl now for her too. Mona no reason I say maybe he get you know what do. If he dey, he must surely do that one 100%. You know understand? Mona yeah they pray for them. Mona they pray for us so that me everywhere boss. I go to now and one love. Yeah.